everyone! Today, we just came from the Mangas port and are on our way home. But before that, we're making a quick stop at Barangay Balabago, Jaro. We're here to check out the construction progress of SMDC Glade Residences. It's been 4 months since our last video update, so I'm excited to see how much has changed. 4 months ago, only 5 towers were built. Towers A, H, I, J, and K. But now, almost 8 towers are standing. The Phase 2 towers, E, F, and G are up, and construction has started on the Phase 3 towers, B, C, and D. Isn't that awesome progress? If you're interested in Phase 3 studio units, now is a great time to look because the prices are lower. But hurry! Our studio units are limited, so don't miss out. There's more exciting news. A sneak peek of SM City Jaro is out, and I'm so excited about it. The mall is going to be huge and right next to Glade Residences. Imagine how easy and convenient it will be to have a big shopping mall just steps away from home. It's a dream come true for many people. Looking ahead, construction for SM City Jaro and the Panay-Guimaras-Negros Bridge might start by 2025 if everything goes well. This will make property values go up, so buying now while it's in the pre-selling stage is smart. All units are still zero VAT, so they are super affordable. Right now, the monthly equity for Glade is only 9,000 pesos for 54 months. It's a great deal. If you want to take advantage of this long-term equity promo, feel free to reach out. We'd love to help you. That's it for today. We'll keep you updated as often as we can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next